Welcome to the College Investor Audio Show, where we talk about the biggest issues impacting millennial money, from student loan debt to side hustles to building wealth. We will show you how to get out of debt so that you can build real wealth for the future.
Tax time and another review for you today on the College Investor Audio Show. Welcome. Today, we take a look at Visor Tax. So Visor is a service that claims to combine the convenience of online tax filing with CPA tax filing, quality, and simplicity. If you don't want to DIY your taxes this year, don't blame you, but you don't have an established relationship with an accountant, Visor may be a service to consider. Just beware. The convenience and simplicity come with a high price tag, and we have seen the complaints about their customer service. That's not a good start. But is it worth it to hire Visor to prep your taxes in 2021? Here's what you need to know about the service. Is it free? No, absolutely not by any stretch of the imagination is Visor Tax a free platform. Pricing starts at $299 for state and federal filing and increases from there. Visor Tax promises that it will give you access to a tax advisor. That type of financial advice is not free. What's new in 2021? Well, so far, they haven't announced any major changes this tax filing season. It will continue to unite technology and tax advisors to make the tax filing process easier. Let's take a look at the pricing plans. So, of course, it starts at $299 for federal and up to 2 states. However, the pricing escalated based on the complexity of your filing situation. So the website offers a quick price estimate, but you'll need to fill out a more robust survey to get your final prices. The software increases in price by $99 for each additional layer of complexity. Really what it's best for is anyone who wants a tax professional to handle their return, but wants a reasonable price and online service, and they are competitive compared to other CPAs in your local area. Visor Tax's prices are higher than a similar service like TurboTax. However, Visor Tax is a year-round tax service, so users are paired with a specific tax expert who can answer tax questions and file taxes for you. And if you want that kind of professional help, it's just going to cost a little more. Visor Tax online navigation. So the onboarding starts with a simple survey where you answer a few questions about your personal and tax situation. And then once that really fast interview is complete, Visor provides the user with a firm price quote. And then if you want to proceed, you'll be matched with the tax expert. After matching, users can upload financial documents directly to the secured website. This can be done with your phone, just snapping pictures, or on the website where you click and drag. Your tax expert will then reach out with questions or clarifications. Visor has a chat support functionality within the app, but tax experts may also reach out with email. Visor Tax ease of use. While the concept is very simple, the implementation didn't go well the last few years, and many actual customers complained of slow response times, missed extension filings, and other costly errors. Since Visor doesn't advertise a customer service number, it's really not clear whether they have a plan in place to address those concerns or not. Not good. Now, Visor Tax users shouldn't need a deep tax knowledge to get your taxes filed, but they do have a nice blog to support you. And then you can also connect with your tax advisor through the app to get personalized tax support. And now let's move on to some Visor Tax extras. They boast that they are a full-service tax filing and tax advising company. That means your tax advisor can answer all of your personal tax questions so you can plan better for the next year. It also files extensions and submits payments on behalf of you, when it makes sense, of course. It does not offer audit protection guarantees or any other add-ons. Now, we talk about crypto investments, and they do support users who need to file crypto investments. You'll just need to upload all your transactions, but your matched tax expert will do the heavy lifting for you. That is nice. Now, you can request your stimulus check through Visor Tax too. They will just request information about stimulus money you received this year, and then if you qualify for a rebate recovery credit, the advisor will request it on your behalf. The credit will be lumped with any other refunds you receive. How does Visor Tax stack up to the competition, you ask? Well, Visor Tax has several direct competitors. Some of the brand-name full-service filing companies offer a similar service, at a much lower price point, like TurboTax Full Service, starts at just $100 for federal filing and $50 per state. Its maximum price is $210 for federal and $50 per state. By contrast, Visor Tax starts at $299. I said starts, and the prices only increase from there. However, Visor's pricing is in line with other full-service tax companies, such as Picnic Tax. Yep, we have a review for Picnic Tax too at thecollegeinvestor.com. And here are some final thoughts on Visor Tax. Combining AI and human experts sounds like a perfect match for efficient and accurate tax filing. Unfortunately, the execution seems flawed for Visor. All reviews by actual users were rife with complaints. The company hasn't addressed those complaints directly, and it's unlikely that Visor Tax is going to produce a quality service this year. Filers are advised to stay away, run from Visor Tax. Picnic Tax offers a similar service at a similar price. Plus, Picnic Tax has much more positive reviews, including ours at thecollegeinvestor.com, which I mentioned a little bit ago, but I'll mention it again. And you can download the podcast too. We have that as well available. Thank you so much for stopping by today. That's all we have for you. I hope it was helpful at least to find the right tax prep for you. Find a bunch of other reviews on all the different software. We mentioned TurboTax, but we also have reviews for H&R Block, TaxSlayer, TaxHawk, and many more at thecollegeinvestor.com. Oh, taxes. I love you, said no one ever.